time to get fast. Look at my feet here, look at my feet. Push, my knees are up. Dig through, dig through, dig through. Don't stop, come on, push. Work. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Pump through it, pump through it, pump through it, pump through it. Come on, 10 seconds. You can do it, pump through it. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, jack it up, up. This time is as fast as you can go. Don't stay with me, push. Come on, Johnny, straighten out those arms. A little faster, a little faster. Go, come on. I need you to speed it up. Come on, up and up and up and up. Come on, push. Core is tight. Go, 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 go. Come on, money. Work. Are you there? Are you there? Come on, push. Take it out those arms. Arms hip to shoulder. Hip up. Come on, go, go, go. 10 seconds left. Come on, push. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Ready? High and fast. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, power through. Come on, body down, knees up. Work. Come on, y'all, 15 more seconds. Come on, how we doing? Work. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's about speed. Be careful with the steps. Make sure you're in a nice surface so you don't twist your ankle. Come on to your toes. Knee up. Don't forget to exhale. Okay? Come on. 5 seconds. Back kicks. Now time for speed. Come on, Tiny. Now time for speed. Faster, faster. Up, up, up. Come on. Come on. If you feel like tired right now, I understand, okay? If it's your first time, you can always bring up water. If you're in it, push. I want you to pick it up. Work those calves. Come on, push, push. Let's build them. Come on. Go. 10 seconds. Come on. This next part is what it's all about. That's where your speed comes in. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Ready, high knees. Go, 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 go. Pump. Come on. Mario, push. I need faster turnover. I need turnover. When I say turnover, look at these knees. Okay? They're up. Go, go, go. Come on, push. You can do it. Feel it. We're almost to the warm-up. We're almost going to stretch. So push, push, push and go. Keep going. Don't slow down. 10 seconds. Go. Go. Come on, push. 3, 2, 1. Mummy kicks. Go. Come on. Faster mummy kicks. Push it through. Push it through, y'all. Come on, go. Come on, this is it. Come on, keep the arms straight. Core tight. Are we good, y'all? Come on, 15 more seconds. 15. Breathe through it. 5 seconds. All right, now shake it out. Your body feel good now. Shake it out, shake it out. Grab water. Hurry up, quick. Grab the water, you probably need it.